Students, our today's topic is types of partners. There are two types of partners, full-fledged partners and not full-fledged partners. Full-fledged partners are those partners which are actively participate in the management. Along with this, they invested their capital and sharing profit and losses also. If I talk about the non-full-fledged partners are those partners which do not invest their money into the business and doesn't take any kind of share in profit and losses. So one by one we will discuss about the full-fledged and non-full-fledged partners. Active partner, sleeping partner or secret partner, these are considered as full-fledged partners. And nominal partners, partners by estoppel, partners by holding out, limited partner, these are the categories of non-full-fledged partners. So one by one we will discuss about all the partners. So first one is active partner, that is full-fledged partner. So active partner which is actively participate in the administration, and he also investing their money into the business and sharing losses and take the profits out of the business. And along with all the features, his liability is always unlimited, means to say that he will use his personal assets in case of heavy losses. Okay. Second one is sleeping partner. Sleeping partner is also known as dormant partner. Sleeping means that partner which is not active, है ना. So sleeping partner doesn't participate in the management, means to say that he is not participate any kind of decision making. He is not participate any meeting in the partnership firm, but he investing the capital into the firm and take the profits and losses. Take the profit and share the losses with the other partners also. And his liability is also unlimited. I hope the meaning of unlimited liability is clear to all of you. Third one is secret partner. Secret means something private. Okay. So secret partner is that partner which is participate in the management but secretly, not disclosure himself that he is a partner of particular business. Okay. So he is also investing the money. Along with this, he also dividing all the losses and all the profits, and his liability is also unlimited. So these are the types of full-fledged partners. And next one is nominal partner. Nominal means the partner which doesn't participate in the management and doesn't invest any kind of capital and doesn't take any share in profit and losses, but his liability is unlimited. Okay. So next one is partnership partners by estoppel. Partnership by estoppel is just like nominal partner, or we can say that partners by estoppel and by holding out are the types of nominal partner. They are not partner in a partnership firm, but they represent it. They conduct it that they are the partner of a particular firm. Okay. So all the three partners, nominal, partner by estoppel, partner by holding out, they are not participate in the management, in the administration, and they are not investing their money into the business, and they are not taking any kind of share in profit and losses, but they are liable for the debts. So I will differentiate all the two, that partnership by estoppel, partners by estoppel and partners by holding out. See, 2 or 3 of my students are running a business, a partnership firm. They required some capital. They went to the bank and they are saying that they need money for the partnership firm, but bank denies. Bank उनको loan नहीं देता. They came to me. They are saying, ma'am, मतलब that particular bank person is your relative, is your known, please help us. ओके. तो आई सेड लेट इट गो, चलो हम चलते हैं उनसे बात करते हैं. सो आई वेंट टू द बैंक with all the partners, with all the students which are working in a partnership firm. तो मैंने बैंक वाले पर्सन से बोला कि जाके कि इनको लोन दे दीजिए. ठीक है. तो मैंने कहीं पे भी ये रिप्रेजेंट नहीं किया कि आई एम द पार्टनर ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्टनरशिप फर्म, बट आई एम कंडक्टिंग दिस कि आई एम द पार्ट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर फर्म. सो बैंक एक्सेप्टेड. बैंक पर्सन सेज दैट कि ओके विद योर रेफरेंस, तो हम इनको लोन दे देते हैं. ठीक है. तो वो उनसे लोन ले लेते हैं. तो इस तरीके से ये एग्जाम्पल हुआ बेटा कि आई एम कंडक्टिंग इट फ्रॉम माई बिहेवियर, इट इज़ रिफ्लेक्टिंग दैट आई एम द पार्टनर ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर फर्म, बट इन एक्चुअल इन रियलिटी आई एम नॉट द पार्टनर ऑफ दैट फर्म, but I am liable for the debt. Why? Because in case of they are denied to pay the loan amount which is given by the bank with the reference of mine, so I am responsible for that. If you people will not pay, then I will be pay. Okay, so this is partner by estoppel. Partner by holding out means I am using someone's name, he has a good reputation in the market, I am using his name, and he also knows that I am using your name for my business. So in this way this type of partners are holding out. मतलब मैं किसी का नाम यूज़ कर रही हूँ, उसकी बहुत अच्छी गुडविल है, मैं उसका नाम यूज़ कर रही हूँ अपने बिजनेस के लिए, उसे ये पता है, ठीक है, पर वो क्या कर रहा है, वो मुझे सिर्फ अपना नाम दे रहा है मेरे बिजनेस को. ही इज़ नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन मैनेजमेंट, ही इज़ नॉट इन्वेस्टिंग मनी, एंड ही इज़ नॉट टेकिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ शेयर इन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉसेज ऑल्सो. सो इन दिस वे ही इज़ गिविंग हिज रेपुटेशन टू मी, but कहीं ना कहीं he is liable for the debts. Why? Because in case of heavy losses, if you will not pay the liability of your business, then your business will be declining. Along with your business, his reputation, his goodwill is also declining, which business is running on that particular person's name. So in this way partner by holding out. So these are the partners: nominal partner, partners by estoppel, partners by holding out. They are not taking part in the they are not taking part in the management, in any kind of decision making. They are not investing money, they are not taking any kind of share, but they are liable for their debts only. Okay बच्चे. So another point is that partners of profit only. Some partners are there which are liable for the profits only. They are not taking any interest in your business, they investing money and they are taking profits and losses only. Okay, some partners are there which have limited liability. So these are the partners which are limited for the liability. Okay, so if in case of any losses, he will be liable which money he has invested, nothing more than that. Okay, so कुछ पार्टनर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो लिमिटेड होते हैं, जिन्होंने जितनी इन्वेस्टमेंट की होती है, दे आर लाइबल फॉर दैट ओनली, नॉट मच देन दैट. ओके, तो उससे ज़्यादा अगर लॉसेस हो रहे हैं तो ही विल नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट. Then who will be responsible for that? The persons whose liability is unlimited, he is responsible for that losses. Okay, so these are the types of the partners. Full-fledged partners are active partner, sleeping partner or dormant partner, and third one is secret partner. And if I talk about the not full-fledged partners, nominal partners, partners by estoppel, partners by holding out, they are reflecting himself or herself that they are the part of the business, but in reality they are not the part of their business organization. Okay, so these are the types of partner. Thank you so much.